Kasi lamig talaga. Kailangan na natin sanayin mag-Tagalog. Inaantok ako, guys. Nag-drain yung energy ko pagpasok. Babasa socks ko.
Walang crunch.
Good morning, guys. I slept very late, so it's not a good morning, but you know, we didn't even need to wake up this early. But we did also have to because we need to finish a recording for a school activity or project. Basta yun, kailangan na namin tapusin para hindi na isipin. Okay, I really need to be in a hurry because my friend might get mad at me. Because I told them that we should be there at 7. Okay, but like I'm good at doing my morning routine pretty fast. Especially back then. Back at 7th grade. Kasi hinahatid pa yung kapatid ko na after me. Maaga ako pumapasok. Buti pa siya. Hindi niya na kailangan maaga pumasok kasi nobody has to go after him. Pero ako, kailangan ako yung maagang pumasok. And my sister also did that for me. Like, she used to go to school early so that I could also, you know, actually I don't remember. But I used to do that. Papasok ako ng 4:30 or 5 na. 5 ata ako umaalis. 4:30 ako gumigising. 4:30 ako gumigising at 12. At the age of 12. Pero ganun naman lahat. A lot of Filipinos do that. Waking up so early. But now when you grow older, it's like, fuck. Well, nah. I had 30 minutes of like preparing for myself. But like at that age also you need less, you think less, you don't work. You don't really think about what you're doing. You don't really have to do a lot for yourself. Kaya bilisan lang ako. Okay, we're done. What if mag-commit na lang kami?
Yeah, lagyan mo lang ako auto-shoot, ha?
Film na. Our farm
May
here.
nakita dito, tapos kapagalitan tayo.
Go not eat! Okay.
Damn. Guys. Guys, may pasok. Ay, may online class lang kami. I'm craving coffee. Tingnan nyo, parang ang sarap ng strawberry milkshake nila. Pero I'm gonna order my friend's order. Pupunta na kami ng Kukunin ko na yung order ko sa Zeus. We're back. Woo! We're back, guys. Here's my order. Here's my order. Dapat yung order ko yung order ng friend ko. Na buttercream latte lang. Pero, nauto ako ng strawberry. I bought strawberry buttercream. Yung strawberry lang nalalasahan ko. Hindi tumatama yung coffee, which kailangan ko.
Oh, dito.
Tapos kami sa Patpet, hindi ko na-film kasi late na kami.
Babasa socks ko, buwiset. Ano ba yan?
Hindi ako nakapag-film kanina kasi late kami sa Patpet. Kasi nag-grab kami. Kasi nga umuulan. And here we are. Umuulan na naman. Ha? Ay, dito pa.
Ano nang tape yan?
Sa atin lang naman, kasi ballpen pa ako.
Wala ito mga.
Wala nga. Ano ba? Vlog take over. Ayan.
Puppet. Kaya niya daw. Arf, 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 arf.
Go guys. Ilak ko na sila dun.
Wash your hands.
Dapat ako talaga yung nagwawash ng hands. Kasi umawak ako sa door ng... Anong tawag doon? Basta
Oh guys, nandito na siya. Ang tagal niya maghugas ng hands. Ginawa pa niya yung happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Ano sunod nun? Happy birthday. Yan. Ginawa nila yun, kaya super tagal ko nag-antay dito. Naka 5 minutes ako nag-aantay, naghugas lang sila ng kamay. Isipin niyo yun, 5 minutes. Bye.
It's ASMR. Walang crunch. Plastic na lang, plastic.
Guys, gusto ko bumili ng Italian bracelet. Nagbebenta sila dito. Kaso, feel ko hindi ko pa deserve. Kasi hindi pa naman prelims. Pero hanggang kailan lang sila dito? Ano, pag-iipunan ko muna. Hindi ako makakabili ng pagkain after. Life choices. Ano ba na life choices na do? Anyways, tapos na online class namin. Naghihintay na lang ng sundo kasi sobrang traffic, of course, sa panahon na to. Ay, nako. Makaka-tutor kaya ako later.
Binigyan ako ng tropa ko ng... Oh!
Ganun, sige.
Yasayo. ASMR kasi wala pa yung sundo namin imuda. Laptop sticker tour. Ito galing kay Sir Sarah to eh. Alam niyo ba? Hindi ko na alam. galing kay Sir Sarah to. Tapos, walang laman yun. Ewan ko kung kailan ko binili to, pero matagal na. Bigay sa akin ng tropa ko, guys. Tapos, signature ni Tay yung im nila. Tapos, si Jin. Si Muna. may love triangle. Si Hobie, si Yoongi, tsaka si Jimin입니다. Tapos si Lihan, si Ryu, si Myungjae, Taesan, and Namjoon. Tapos 우리 대국입니다. Songa. Tapos random pink stickers kasi wala lang. Gusto ko lang na coquette. Ayun lang. Goodbye vlog takeover입니다.
Punta muna ako Daiso kasi since wala pa si Kuya. Kasi may kailangan ata ako sa Daiso eh. Hindi ko lang maano. Actually, oo nga. Kailangan ko bumili. Palagi ko iniisip yung mga kailangan ko recently. Lagyan namin ko ang kailangan gawin pero napopostpone kasi bagyo season. Inaantok ako guys. Matutulog na muna ako pagka uwi. Ito guys, kailangan ko ng coffee filter. Para sa hazelnut coffee ko. Kailangan ko na ata mag-coffee ulit. Oh my god, they also have this. Kano kaya to? I really love Daiso. It's one of my favorite one of my favorite stores kasi it has everything that you need. Home essentials, 'di ba? Kung pwede lang mag-shopping spree ako. Pero walang pera. Kahit mura lang most of their stuff. 'Di ba? 'Di ba? Guys, kakauwi ko pa lang talaga. It's already 7 o'clock. Dumating akong saktong 6:58. Sakto. 6:58. Dumating ako 6:58. Tapos, ayun, 7 na. Umalis kami ng... Actually, hindi ko alam. Anong oras nga ba kami umalis? I don't know. But the time is just so bad. Y'all, I'm so tired. I only had like 3 hours of sleep a while ago. And so I had coffee, but that didn't work. So, ayun. Anyways, maliligo na. May pasok po ulit bukas. I'll show you guys my night routine siguro. Bagyo season routine. Gusto kong tumigil. Actually, we have our class. We had our class at the worst time. It's during PatFit, our PE. Kailangan namin palagi lumipat ang kabilang campus pag nagpa-PatFit. So, talagang nga lang. Ayoko mag-dinner. Tinatamad na. Parang pagod na ako mag-dinner. Hindi rin ako gutom. Oh, whatever. Whatever, guys. Ayoko na. Gusto ko matulog. Guys, my ulam is tinola. Inaantok na talaga ako.
창호 왔다. 맞기로. 최고의 장미죠. 최고의 장구. 그렇죠.
Okay. So, I'm supposed to do this. I was thinking I should just do this tomorrow. Like, kahit pagod na ako. Pero, it's a do it now mindset. time check, it's now 10:16. Dalawa na lang na paper box gagawin ko. And tama na. Ayoko na. Y'all, I feel constipated for some reason. Okay guys, I'm just watching. Good night. Good night. I'll see you guys when I see you. I was just scrolling through Twitter and there couldn't be a better video to represent what I'm doing right now. Am I right? Morning guys. Honestly, I don't know how to start a vlog anymore. It's so cold. Today is another day where we have a busy schedule. It's 5:51 a.m. Kinukulang ako sa tulog. Honestly. Kasi natulog ako ng 11? 11 nga ba? Pero alam ko late na rin yun. Bale, mga 5 hours lang rin tulog ko. So, feel ko kulang pa rin yun. We're supposed to have 7 hours of sleep. Pero dati pa akong late palagi na sa tulog. So, either way, 11 ako natulog. Either way, parang this is risky. Because it's not good for you to sleep late. It really isn't. Or to have a few hours of sleep. Anyways, let's prepare na. Guys, ang lamig talaga. Ang lamig ng panahon ngayon. I don't like it. Dapat pala hindi ko na... Actually, mahina lang yung setting ng aircon ko ngayon. Pero ang lamig pa rin. Ayoko. Oh my God. I don't like the season. Ewan ko talaga if gagawin ko tong week in the life or day in the life. Ang hirap mag-edit pag day in the life. Ay, week in the life. Ang lamig! Okay, huwag na. Tama na sa inarte. Gusto ko mag-matcha, pero gusto ko rin mag-coffee. I need to meditate. That's something I need to implement in my daily life right now. Kasi kailangan ko ipahinga yung utak ko. Talaga. Dapat lang. Not just in sleeping. Not just sleeping. Yeah. Sana natulog pa ako. Pero like, late lang nagsabi prof namin 10 a.m. pala. Mag-get ready with me muna tayo. Namiss ko mag-makeup. Namiss ko full makeup talaga. Oh, tangina. Doon ako nagising. Pero recently, I have been avoiding full makeup kasi my skin, I need to protect my skin. Medyo gusto ko pumasok ng maaga kasi like, so I could do stuff at school. Ayoko kasi sa bahay nakatambay. Yun. Nakabukas pa na. Okay. Hinahandok pa rin. Kaya magko-coffee ako. Kasi inaantok pa rin ako. Namiss ko mag-makeup. Miss ko talaga to. I need a clip. I haven't done makeup in a while. Now I forgot how the color wheel works. I am trying to cover up like the dark circles or the dark spots. So blue, I do have a blue makeup eyeshadow. Actually don't. I'm curious if this will work. Di naman malala yung spots ko, so I don't know why I'm covering it up with color corrector. Sometimes color corrector is not actually that necessary, but we'll try it anyways. Tapos what cancels out orange is green. Oh, whatever. Ewan ko yung lighting lang ba to, or nag-match na bigla yung ano ko. Huwag na nga ako magpatan sa summer. Ayoko talaga nagpapatan eh. Nag-snorkeling kasi kami. Ina-avoid, actually, dati panay kasi ako mag-snorkeling when I was younger. Panay kami mag-snorkeling, swimming sa beach. It's always our thing. Mag-beach. Pero in the result of that, kasi swimmer rin ako. In the result of that, ayun, I became so tan. Which is not a bad thing. It's not a bad thing. It's not a bad thing to be tan. Of course. It's just my preference. Or there's like a nice kind of tan rin. Parang ko, yung pagkatan ko kasi, if you see me in real life, medyo off yung pagkatan ko. My forehead, for some reason, it's like a different shade from my cheeks. I don't know why. Try nga natin i-cover. Kita niyo. Hindi niyo kita sa camera kasi maganda yung pagka-filter ng camera. Pero I have dark spots. Moving on, I don't really do my eyes. I don't like doing my eyes because I like the natural eye shape. I miss makeup. Y'all, I don't do makeup often, only when I have time. I feel like I have more time, but also less time now. Dapat pala nagtatagalog ako. I wanna do words of affirmation. Because I saw someone on the internet doing words of affirmation to themselves, but in their own language. And it made me think to myself, oh, what if I do that? But I did it in English. And you know, speaking in English now just doesn't feel makes sense. No, it doesn't feel. What am I saying? Ano nga ba na nasabi ko? Magtagalog. Feel ko, mas tumatatak yung mga words ko sa akin pag nagtatagalog ako. Kasi pag nag-i-English ako, it's just, sanay kasi yung mag-English talaga. It's not my first language, pero along the way, kasi I grew up in a school where English lang kami. Back in elementary until grade school. Tapos I went into high school na puro Tagalog kami. And one thing that most of my classmates noticed, or not most, but those who did notice, were like English era type of kid. Ay, parang hindi talaga ako sanay mag-Tagalog. Which is true naman. But I feel like speaking in Tagalog really engraves deeper. Maybe it's just because it's our own language talaga. Ewan ko rin ang sabi ko. So, I wanna write in Tagalog. But like, if I do try, it's probably gonna be difficult for me. I wanna make journal entries in Tagalog. Yo, this is my biggest problem. My right eye and left eye are not the same. Like, really not the same. Like, kaya ang hirap mag-mascara. Magkaiba sila. Ay, mag-mascara. Mag-eyeliner. Magkaiba talaga. I love the color that's going on in my lips. I have to apply that everywhere else, which is kind of orangey. I don't really have an orangey type of... Wait, where is... Oh, here. This one's a bit orangey. I love my lips right now. Let me just put like this Vaseline. Then lastly, we're gonna do mascara. But let us put this blush on first. When I do this, it's like it's so obvious that I have eyeliner on. Which I don't like. I like a natural. I like it looking natural. Even though it's there. Ba't ako nag-i-English pa rin? Ano ba yan? Guys, magko-coffee ako. This is hazelnut coffee. Okay guys, makakapag-breakfast muna ako. I have here pork chop na adobo, carrots, itlog, and then my hazelnut coffee. Okay. Guys, aalis na ako. It's 8:07. Ang dami kong dadalhin. Tingnan nyo to.
Playing from Shell.
Dadalhin ko mga yan. Sandali na. Sige na nga, alis na ako. 8:07. Let's go. Hindi ko to kaya. Guys, it has been a crazy day and pagod na kami, but we're here now. She knew. Diba, Jules? Sino kayo? Ikaw. Hey guys, so we're back home. I didn't film much of yung lab namin kasi the day was so... Nandito pala si Angel. No! Gusto ko mag-espresso with... espresso. Basta coffee with coffee with... Tangina. Coffee with matcha. The days have been really bad. Plus the raining, it just makes you worry. The bagyo season really makes you just worried about everything. It adds up anxiety to everyday life anxiety. But also, kanina nagre-reflect ako habang naglalakad. I was thinking like how really bad it is. The way the streets are set up. Kasi sometimes we still, even though I drive a car, we still walk around or try to commute. Actually, I do want to commute because I want to walk and exercise. Hindi ako makapag-exercise kasi yung panahon nga ngayon, hindi rin, not just that though, it's like hard. Mahirap talaga mag-commute. Mahirap yung commute. Sobrang hirap mag-commute. Tas ang lala pa with this season. Minsan I try to commute when I can, but not at this season. Because if it's hard enough to drive at a rainy weather, it's hard enough to commute and walk around. After ng sobrang init na panahon, biglang boom. Lahat basa. Also, hindi ako nakapag-film kanina kasi I was so busy with our experiment. I feel so bad. Naiwan ko pa yung exercise dito sa bahay. Inisip ko na siya, nakakainis. Kasi I thought about it, I prepared it, and I knew yung level of preparedness ko was just minimum. Was the minimum. Kinulang ako sa isa. Which was the papers ng experiment. Nakakainis. Nakakainis talaga. Tapos I feel so bad kasi umulan pa ng malakas. Pinadala ko kay kuya. Not knowing that it would rain so bad after. Good morning, vlog. Kung kita niyo ako sa totoong buhay, mukha akong nawawalan ng buhay ngayon. 6:30 na, no? 6:40. 6:40 ang nagising. It's 7 na ngayon. Pasok namin 8. So, mabilisan lang ako get ready with me. Magbawi ako ng tulog ngayon kasi kahapon konti lang tulog ko. Tagi na guys. Wala, magko-coffee na ako sa condition na to. Wait lang, mabilisan lang dapat to. Guys, nag-chat yung prof namin. Sabi niya online. May pinapagawa siya online na lang. So, wag muna kami umalis siguro. Wag talaga kami pasok. Kasi umuulan. Tuloy-tuloy yung ulan. Tapos kanina malakas siya. Ngayon mahina na lang. Siguro in other parts, maulan pa rin. Pero kanina narinig ko pa talaga yung ulan. Malakas pa siya. Madilim pa rin. There's still, ang ano pa rin ng sky. So gray and cloudy. Siguro mag-ayos muna ako. May time, madami akong time mag-ayos na. So mag-ayos muna ako before doing anything else. Okay. Kumakain lang ako, guys. Pero, gusto ko lang sabihin, slowly as time passes by, talagang nadidrain yung energy ko. Nadidrain yung energy ko pagpasok. Kasi, madaming factors. Ang daming factors ng pagka-burnout. Hindi lang talaga sa school. Ang daming external factors. Kaya, yun yung mahirap sa buhay. College is like all about focusing about school. Pero, ang hirap rin mag-focus lang sa isang bagay. Kasi, ang dami rin nangyayari after nung pagpasok mo. Like, before ka pumasok, motivated ka eh. That was me. I was motivated nung bago kami pumasok. Kasi nag-prepare talaga ako. Piniprepare ko yung self ko mentally. Pero, talagang pag may pasok na, ang daming nangyayari. Tapos, ang dami mo rin gustong mangyari. Kaya, nakakapagod. Yun yung nakakapagod about school. By the way, yung mga iniisip ko na, like, what's happening, ano nangyayari. Yung bagyo, ewan ko if it's, kung yung bagyo lang yung nagdadala sa akin ng sad feelings. I bet hindi lang yung bagyo. Pagod lang rin talaga ako sa mga nangyayari ngayon. Kaya also, be kind to one another. Be kind to people kasi ang dami talaga. Ang daming pinagdadaanan ng mga tao ngayon. Nakakapagod. Kung sana simple lang ang buhay. Pero, hindi talaga. We have like, pinupush natin yung sarili natin to its limits. Kasi, kaya naman. Siguro. Pero, pag madami rin nasa pinggan mo, parang nakakapagod rin. Gusto ko sana itulog na lang yung problema ko. Pero, alam niyo yung pati yun, inaalala mo ka. Nag-aalala ka na matulog kasi may dapat ka rin gawin. Ano ba yan? Sige guys. Lalamunin ko muna. Tama ba yun? Lalamunin. Kakain muna ako ng maayos. Tapos, magkaayos ng table. Tapos, ayoko muna magbihis eh. Pero siguro magbihis. Hinihintay ko rin mag-suspend. Please lang. Please lang, mag-suspend na kayo. Ayokong umuulan, pero mag-suspend kayo. Kasi umuulan na talaga eh. Hindi pa sila nagsususpend. Kahit ang lakas ng buhos ng ulan kanina. Tapos sobrang cloudy. Sobrang cloudy ngayon, guys. Aalis na ako. Ay, nako. Here. Sana ready kami. Hindi talaga. Sa lab na kami. Ang init. Wala pa si sir. Kahit 9 na. Mali pala dapat yung lalagyanan ko. Natapunan ako ng hot chocolate.
Color of the day, green.
Yeah.
Huwag ka mag-vlog mo ka. Bakit mag-comment sila?
Kaya ka mag-celebrate ka sa live.
Wala pang post eh.
Suspended na ba, guys?
Wala na sila, ano? Sana, sa kanila lang. Na-cancel. Ang araw ko yun.
Di ba yan?
Nagkita kayo talent talaga tayo.
Wow, I love our banding. Ano, gym na? Gym na.
Ako na mag-i-edit.
Sir, kayo siguro nag-i-edit. Siguro kayo
Suspended na, guys. Guys, we're at lab. Madali lang yung experiment namin.
Layo.
Hi, vlog! Welcome to my guys.
Pinapos mo yan?
Oo. Paano siya?
Nakapokus sa ite.
Paano pag i-focus? You have to.
Pwede ganun.
Touch it.
Di ba ganun lang yun?
Di ba kung sa siyang nagta-twist? Picture, let's take a picture. Hindi.
Natapos rin ng lab. And we're going home. Kasi ang dami pang gagawin.
No, sasagot ako ng NSDP, tapos nag-ano na ako.
Gagawin ko yung ethics yun.
Tapos ko na yung ethics. Kay Ma'am Shai na lang. 3 kay Ma'am Shai.
I'm back home, guys. Nakauwi na rin. Sabi na nga ba, guys? Magsususpend sila na apakalit. Nandun na rin kami, kaya tinuloy na rin ang lab. Kasi either way, wala rin. Ganun pa rin. Okay. So, mag-aayos muna ako ng gamit habang wala pa tinatamad pa ako. So, maglilinis lang muna ako while listening to podcasts.
Actually, yun, sign siya ng pagiging matapang, ng pagiging strong din, kasi hindi ka somehow tama, ayan, o kaya makihalubilo, pero pakiramdam ko pa rin itong gawin yung self-care. Kasi ito nga, baka nakakaligtaan mo yung sarili mo.
So, this is like the 5th time that I'm gonna change a bag. Kasi, bago-bago. Kasi, I'm trying things out. What really works for me. Diba? Why not? This is my sister's. Nakuha lang ako sa nanay ko or sa ate ko. Kasi, ayoko bumili. Ang papakamahal bumili palagi. I think mas magaan to kaysa sa bag ko. Tapos I also have a bag. I do have a shoulder bag na pinalit ko rin. Noong una, nung pinakita sa akin to, I didn't like the design. And also, nakabukas lang siya. Ang daling nakawan. Ayaw mo yung madaling nakawan. Yun rin yung problema ko with a bag like this. Madali kang nakawan. Hindi mo, papasok mo lang yung phone mo. Wala. Kailangan safe ka. Kaya kailangan safe ka. Minsan ba naman gusto ko nagko-commute. So, sobrang stress ko pag magko-commute ng ganito. Okay, magpapasok tayo ng gamit. First of all, hindi ko pa naman to kailangan pero papers. Papers are always needed. Lalagyan ng mask. Pouch number 1, pouch number 2, wallet, ano tawag dito? Pencil case. Tapos dito, here you could put yung mga maliliit lang na bagay. Oh, napakahirap naman na to. Maliliit lang na bagay. Alcohol. Itong ano ko, sabon. Yun lang. Minsan siguro lalagay ko rin yung charger. Pati iPad ko pala. Last is the iPad. Ayan. Yan na lahat. Oh my god, hindi siya maklose. Kailangan nakaside mga to. Paano pa kaya kung may pagkain ako? Hindi siya maklose talaga. It's time for bigat check. Weight check. Gaano siya kabigat? Mabigat na sa kamay. Masakit ulo ko. So, feel ko mas mabigat siya dun. Ouch. Okay, mabigat siya. Sobrang mabigat pa rin. Shoulder bags are always mabigat though. Kahit anong shoulder bag pa yan, of course, laging mabigat yan. Kasi sa isang shoulder lang ang nagki-carry. Dapat dalawang shoulder, diba? So, actually, hindi siya masyado mabigat kesa yung isa kong ano eh. So, pero wala pa yung pagkain ko dito. Yun nga lang. Wala pa yung pagkain ko. Yung water bottle ko. Try natin. Guys, mas mabigat na siya. Mas bumigat na siya. Nandito ang aking water bottle. Mas bumigat na siya. Hindi dapat talaga nag-shoulder. Wala te. Isang shoulder lang eh. Masakit siya. Sakit na rin ang ulo ko. Paano pa kaya yun? Me going to school, mabigat ang bag. Sasakit ang isang shoulder. Wala. Ang hirap nito. Hindi naman ako naglalakad palagi. Pero gusto ko rin yung naglalakad minsan. Ayun nga, naglalakad kami often. So, kailangan ko talaga ng bag lang. Pero let's try it. Let's try it. Pag may patfit naman kami, mas madami kaming dala. So, wala na. Wala na to. Hindi na to